Every week I get this one question either here on YouTube or on Instagram, LinkedIn, or even WhatsApp. And the question is, what was the dump that I used to pass on the Cisco exam? Now, if you don't know what a dump is, essentially is a sheet or a database with questions and answers like those that you might find on a Cisco exam. And sometimes they might actually be the same questions that you will find on these exams. So to answer this question once and for all, I decided to make this video and I'm going to reveal my secret. As an example, let's suppose that we want to find the best questions and answers for Cisco NRC exam. So that's one of the CCNP exams on Cisco Enterprise track. And if we search for Cisco NRC practice exam, we're going to receive all of these results. Okay, so let's start with the official ones from Cisco. So the first two is the Cisco Exam Review NRC, and this can be found on Cisco Learning Network store, which means that this is being provided directly from Cisco. And so what is this tool anyway? Well, it will help you prepare to take the NRC exam and will help you identify any gaps in your knowledge or areas of weakness that you should focus on before taking the live exam. So it's like taking the pre-exam before the real exam. Now, this exam or this tool, it will show you around 75 questions out of 200 questions. So that should be enough for you to have a taste of what the exam might look like, or the type of the questions, how Cisco presents the questions, that you can be prepared to that format. Cisco also has this tool available for other certifications such as the CCNA, CL Core, CyberOps, DevCore, DevNet Associate, NRC, Encore, and probably a lot more. Now, this will cost what? 79 USD, and you have access for 180 days. That's more than enough for you to be real prepared to take the exam. Another option might be to buy the Cisco ebook premium edition. What most of people probably don't know is that the premium edition comes with the test or a practice test that you can use also as the option we saw before. Like, so they have this practice test available, and so let's see, it should be somewhere here. So they have these 200 unique practice exam questions, practice exercise, and a study planner. The focus here are the questions that you want to have experienced before taking the exam. And again, this is another resource available directly from Cisco that you can buy and use it before taking the real exam. Now, if you want another option outside of Cisco ones, Bolzone also has a simulator or a bank of questions available for Cisco exams. As for example, they have this for NRC exam as well, and it has what, 232 questions. And it costs what, 99 USD, and that's a 1-year subscription. And you can actually try the demo for free before purchasing this bank of questions. So there are different options that you can choose from, and besides those one, you also have the IP Cisco, you have Cisco U, you have exam topics, you have Udemy. So there are just a bunch of options that you can choose from. Now the question might be, which one is the best? In my personal experience, I don't believe there is such thing as the best dump or the best bank of questions, and normally people who are looking for those best are the lazy ones. In my case, I use this bank of questions as an additional resource to my studies. As I already shared here on the channel, I always use the Cisco official certification guide. I always build labs to really test what I'm learning, if what I read in the book I can really implement, because at the end of the day, this is going to be a practical exam, so you are supposed to have some hands-on experience with that technology. And then I'm going to use the bank of questions just to really assess myself on the weak or strong areas. So if you took value from this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one.